We'll guide you through how to make a custom shield in Minecraft. To go and do this, we're going to need a loom, which is this, and you're going to need a banner. So all you need to do is go and craft a banner with 1 stick and 6 bits of wool. And then all you need to do is go and put it into a crafting table and you've got yourself a banner. Now go into the loom and you can then go and put your banner in there. And then what you can do is go and get a color dye you want to go and use. I'll use red, for example, and you can then see all these different patterns here. So let's say I want to go and create this design here. You can go and click on it and there it is. And then I'll click on it and it's now been made. Then what you can do is put it back into the loom with more dye and you can then add a different design, as you can see. Then what you can do is go and grab it like this, and then you can go and put it into a crafting table with your shield, and you can then go and put it onto the shield. It's that simple. And as you can see, we've now got a custom shield. If you guys found this useful, then please leave a like.